guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Nike SB Dunk Low Red Plum. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that is thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank you guys for watching our videos, subscribing, all that jazz. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this, so thank you. Now let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the Nike SB Dunk Low, and we've got this in the Red Plum colorway or the ACG Terra. So we got this in the UK size 7.5, it's a European 42, and it's a US 8.5. Now I was able to get these from eBay. It's the first time I've copped anything from eBay. Great price, it was just around £20 over retail, which I thought was a steal. At the moment, the way that Dunks, they've been steady on the decline in my opinion in regards to hype. Everyone's shifting their focus to like Air Max 1 because of the pattern launches, and which is great for me because I want to get some SB Dunk Lows. They're really sought after, and I wasn't able to get these on the sneakers app, so I've got it from the secondary market. This is the first time I bought anything from eBay as well, and what's great is, so let me show you. So if you get your sneakers from eBay, you get them authenticated. So there's an authenticity guarantee, and what's really dope, here it is. I've had a little check, so you get this eBay tag here. So if you pop it with your NFC little thingy-majig, you get on your phone, scan it. There we go. And it takes you to the listing, and it shows you the day you got checked and you authenticated it. It was done by SneakerCon, so thank you eBay. You're doing that one little bit to make everything kind of right and rival StockX, which is really great to see. Now here it is, these really dope sneakers. Let me get the other pair out. And just pop this here, and we'll go through it with you. And we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see it here with the Nike Dunk traction patterning, that little hint of purple. There's always contrasting color when it comes to SB Dunk Lows, because just to show that it's an SB Dunk Low. And you look at the midsole unit. So this midsole unit is a white speckled polyurethane midsole, and inside there is a Zoom Air unit, which gives it the cushioning. You know, these were invented for skating, so you're there for the underside of your feet. It's there for the comfort and the safety, because you're going to be slamming your feet all the time. The upper, so this upper is very reminiscent of a lot of ACG Terraformer colorways, and this is the Red Plum. So it's got that 90s vintage feel. You look around, it's an all suede upper here with the Red Plum. It's more purple. I'm a big fan of the color purple anyway, and that's why I gravitated towards this colorway. You can see it all the way here running through on the upper and just on the underlays. You can see here at the front you've got the black perforations, on the side panels as well it's black, and you've got that citrus yellow or citrus green Nike swoosh. Got two styles of laces, so you got your normal lacing system as well in the black laces, and you got your choice between that and this citrus. Now, like all SB Dunk Lows, they have the fat tongue, always there for your comfort. It's for the padding as well, which is really great to see. The insole, again, it's in that highlighted yellow with citrus, and it's got the Zoom Air logo as well as the Nike SB. And just to round it off at the back here, you've got the Nike logo in this gold colorway, great paneling as well with a Red Plum, and just below it as well, black and that Red Plum as well. Now, as I mentioned guys, earlier in this video, I've said how the hype of the SB Dunks or Dunks in general are slowly decreasing. that's really great for someone like me who's really into SP dunks, and I just want to get them, and they're really difficult to get because they always seem to sell out. The hypebeast scam, I'm pretty sure they get eaten by bots. I was lucky enough to strike a deal with this guy on eBay, and the fact that eBay was able to do the external checks just to make sure that this is legit is a really great feature. So guys, if you've been on the fence about buying something from eBay, sneaker wise, really do it. Not only did I get a great deal out of it, I mean, I was able to get it authenticated, everything checked, and it just gave me such a relief to know that I wasn't getting anything fake. So that was great. Big shout out to eBay, big shout out to the guy who checked it again, and that's really dope to see. Can't wait to try these on, show you how they feel. Let's do it, let's go. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a true to size fit. I'm a Nike SP 7.5, so my toes are where they need to be. Great kit fit, comfy tongue and all. If you're able to get a pair, try and get your pair. As I mentioned, the price is going down, relatively down. You can get them near retail when it comes to the secondary market. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.